By the way. Both of these guns are completely empty.
Okay.
Okay.
I have a question. Do you think everyone should own a gun?
No.
What's like the criteria for like being in the right headspace to be the kind of person that owns a gun? You know?
I mean, you have to have a healthy respect for life. That'd be about it. You'd have to have a healthy respect for life. Do you understand what's going to happen if I point this in the direction that it's going? Do you understand if I do that, what's going to happen if the trigger or the hammer accidentally falls? It's like, do you understand that? Okay, do you understand that what's on the other end of that item that you're holding in your hand can and will be permanently destroyed? Okay then. You should be able to own a firearm.
Whoa.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe the
I would
scariest
say
looking.
so.
Mimi.
Yeah, well, the scariest looking, I guess. It's just an AR-15. Yeah, this is Veronica.
Do you name all of your guns?
Oh, hell no. No, I named this one because I hand built this entire thing.
Shit.
So, yeah. So. You gonna come out? Yeah, buddy, it's okay. I'm not feeding you, buddy. Hey.
West.
I love that cat.